that down. We've got another 3 inches to go with that, and that'll be at 3 feet in the ground. Right, and this is literally see what we're doing here. Now if you turn round, oh, and by the way, tomorrow's live video at 3 o'clock, all will be revealed, a very distant the ground, all will be revealed, and the bits that I highly recommend for anybody to use, I will reveal. I've been using this about 3 weeks, I've been using this 1 bit or 2, I think I've used this as my 3rd bit in about 3 weeks, whereas my things I was going through them in 3 and 4 a day. So there you go. Oh, when you put it back to the ground like that, so you don't cheat to tomorrow, to the live video tomorrow. These are gate posts for here too, right? They're going to be about 39-inch high gate at the front there. They're 8-foot posts, or 2 big 6 by 6. Well done to Tom and Neil. Thank you, Tom, for getting me them yesterday morning. There you go, Tom. They're 2.4 6 by 6s. They'll be approximately 3 feet in the ground, maybe a 6 inch more, we'll say we got on. Right, and then, yet again, met one of our followers, and I remember this instance a couple of weeks ago, which was quite a nasty instance, and I'm going to applaud this. Yet again, I've got my bit of paper, and I've also, oh, there's Howden, by the way. I'm waiting, and now wait, hold on. Victoria Gregory down there in Howden. When are you phoning me back, Victoria, about my white pickup insurance? So Victoria Gregory, Howden, there we go. Get on the phone to the WSH. We're waiting. You're phoning me, Victoria. Anyway, never mind that. I used this bit of paper to write things down on, right? Davy Wade I met this morning. He's the greenkeeper. He told me he's a master greenkeeper, head greenkeeper, top greenkeeper. It's at Nicholas Golf Course. So we'll wait and see. Now, I'm going to come and inspect, because he was quite proud of the fact that his chest was like that. The 3rd green, you remember, it was vandalised with those thugs, those vagabonds, those louts. And Davey told me this morning it took him 5 hours to repair it. 5 hours to repair a bit of mindless vandal. But I'm going to go and see it, a wee sneak preview one morning about 6 in the morning to see if Davey Wade, now Davey, your reputation is head greenkeeper, master greenkeeper, top greenkeeper, head greenkeeper. It's at Nicholas Golf Course. Your head's on the line here, your reputation, because I'm going to come and inspect it, Davey. Davey said, well, you wouldn't ken it, It's like a postage stamp now, you wouldn't ken it. So there you go, folks. Right, so yet again, get spreading, get sharing. I've got loop fencing to mention. I'm going to do my research team's out researching them for the next video. Loop fencing, maybe give you a mention tomorrow in the live video in more detail. But there it is, folks. Tomorrow, all will be revealed with the bit, the potsy 2 bits, or whatever you want to call them. And you'll all be shocked and surprised. See you all tomorrow at 3 o'clock live.